In this video, I want to go over student work. This is Saul Magazine. This is a magazine that I make with my students at Palm Beach State College in Publication Design 2. In Publication Design 2, we use InDesign, and I encourage my students to interview faculty, fellow artists, other students, self-reflection, and we put it all together and make this. And this is the fall 2019-20 edition. The newest one will be dropping in the fall. So table of contents, and I'm just going to go through some of these questions on becoming a graphic designer, which can be really helpful. So if you want to hit pause and look at those, there's information there. Tools a designer might need. If you're going to be studying at Palm Beach State, it could be a good idea to invest in a Apple laptop that is the industry standard. Get used to drinking coffee and using your sketchbook and staying up all hours of the night. And of course, a subscription to Adobe CC is going to be helpful. Learning Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, Dreamweaver, Premiere Pro, Adobe Animate, all those good things. And there's a student version for $19.99 a year at this time of recording, August 2020. Student article on color, a student article self-reflection, type specimen, interview of one of our fabulous adjunct instructors, David Durbach, written by a student, and one of my former students, the guy who wrote this article. If you want to buy his book that he published from when he was enrolled in my Publication Design 1 class, you can find it on Amazon. An article on fashion created by a talented student. Tools needed by graphic designers. And vector versus raster, meaning Illustrator versus Photoshop files. Great examples of resolution. So we have really talented students here at Palm Beach State College. Self-reflection by the very talented Roshina. And all of these, most of these I should say, were created by my students in the class. Great use of hierarchy. Look at the use of color. The student wrote an article on their favorite graphic designer. This magazine is a wonderful portfolio piece. Graphic design humor. A student interview of one of our talented adjunct instructors, Nicole Smith. Vision board. The article on the right-facing page is the Elizabeth Street Station in West Palm Beach. They've just moved to a new location. Branding. Q&A with our former associate dean. Incredible at portraits, rendering portraits. Color study, loosely based on Saul Bass. And then Saul's Wall, where I feature students who weren't in Publication Design 2, but they did really nice work from other classes. And of course, my little vanity article on my paintings and my sculpture, because I think it's really important that faculty demonstrate to their students that they practice what they preach. And then the credits, and that's it.